it on the eye. That's the problem when the eye is on backside. But so it's seeing the background now, right?
Yeah.
So we'll press and hold the background. You see it's blinking now, it turned green.
Yeah.
Usually what should I have done was, let me try. We can try this.
So this is where it's scanning it, right?
Yeah, so it's not seeing anything because we haven't taught anything. But what I'm doing is, since I won't be able to move because the film is already in tension, that's why I got that much film. Now, I can open the brake. And so eye is right here. So now press the mark teach and hold it. Leave. Leave. And yeah, now press the background and hold it. That's it. Leave.
So you're just manually teaching it, right?
Yeah.
And you're adjusting it between, the background and
The thing is, the sensor, whether it is reading or not, it's on backside.
yeah.
So bottom. Can you please press again the teach mark?
The mark teach.
Here.
There we go.
That's it.
All right.
You can see that it's on.
Yeah.
Now as soon as I move, it's off.
Yeah.
So we have taught the eye as per mark. We can put the here. No. Since this is the first time, reset. Now we are going to tell the machine, can you read the eye and make sure that the cut is right. So for that, the button is Web Initialize. Again, you press and hold for 3 complete beeps. 1, 2. It's not beep, but it starts after it. So you see it's stopped, and after that it is calculating how much it needs to move, and then it will make a cut. So it made a cut. Here, and it's off by this much. Right? Now we'll run and see and make sure that every time it is off by that much. Same thing, E-stop was pressed, so release, stopped, auto, we can start running. So since we are getting the bags outside and the eye is right, stop. We'll see how consistent it is. So it missed the eye. That's what I think the fault is. Consecutive eye mark. Oh.
Is it the print?
I guess so. Because how we will know is so again, if I try to Web Initialize, we'll check for that light. See, it saw that eye. That right light turned on. It's off now. Now there are many not options or problem, but we'll see what could be the reason. There are many reasons. I think it could be one of this, but let's see. So we have made sure it cut again right. Now, every time when you tease the registration, you check this number. First cycle, this number is nothing but, now I taught it, and I told the machine that my width of the bag is 100 millimeter. So what machine is going to do, every time the roller rotates by 100 millimeter, it is trying to look at the eye. Is it finding that? If not, this number is going to tell you how early the machine is seeing and how late it is seeing. So that means more this number is near to 0, that much exact the film is moving. More the number it is, that means that much more the film is trying to correct.
Got it.
So initially when you stop the machine for a while, the film stretches, that number moves like this, and then it settles down to one number. Our aim is to keep this number as near as 0 as possible. Positive the number is, that means the rollers are rotating extra that much to make the eye.
Yeah.
Negative the number is, the rollers are rotating less that much to meet the eye. So we'll see. Now we are going to check this number. 1.62, 1.62, and then it's gone. So that means what happened? Usually the range is only plus minus 2 millimeters. It's not more than that. So that means the machine is asking more. That means the width which I have given to the machine is too small. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here. What it's told, 1.62. So I'm going to start by increasing the pouch width by 102.
Yeah.
There it says 4 inches. 4 inches is 100 millimeter. That's where we started the reference. So 102. Now we are going to move 102. After this, if it still gives me 1.62, I'm going to do more and see where it goes. Now reset. Now every time you change the width, all the sealers are going to move. So see, the sealer, every time this button is green, that means if you try to start the machine first, the sealers are going to move, and then the machine will start. So it's better to home the machine again. So all the sealers, just the sealers are going to move. Everything is going to stay, because in the machine, as the width changes, the sealer has to position themselves as per the width. So every time you change the width, the sealers will position them where they should be. So 5 more minutes. My mobile is still there.